Down in sunny Plymouth with the rain just starting to come down. Beautiful Mustang V8 GT. This one's finished in Atlas blue and it's got the option of the red painted Brembo brake calipers. Set on Pirelli tyres. This coupe obviously, fastback, decent sized boot. You can probably hear the slight waffle from the exhaust. Signature tail lights. We'll look at the interior. So electric driver's seat, backwards and forwards. It's mechanical manual operation here at the back of the seat. Let's sit ourselves in. I've had it running, and so the heated seat is lovely. Heated steering wheel is lovely. Got the dashboard currently in what's called drive mode setting, so it mirrors your drive mode, but because the car is what it is, we can go into what's called My Mustang, and you can customize your cluster theme, all different settings. So go back to the main cluster. So this is match drive mode, normal, which hasn't changed, sport, racetrack, and calm, which is quite nice in itself actually. I quite like the max drive mode, to be fair. Gives you all the information you need. Got the auto lights, auto wipers. Got the exhaust currently in sport, a little bit noisier. This is one down here, but again, in the cluster here, you can change your exhaust. So we're now gone to quiet, standard, sport, and race or track. So loads and loads of customization through the screen there, along with your standard Ford Sync 4 screen. Things like your wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, got wireless charging pad down here as well. Good features, so we can go driver assistance. This is all very, if you know a Ford, then this is all really really standard. And because of that, really easy and intuitive to use. So yeah, really simple. Go into settings and we can change your sound, your general settings, so things like your time. What do you want, temperature in degrees C or degrees Fahrenheit? Prefer it in C myself. Speedo in kilometers an hour, so if you took the car abroad, Germany, perhaps for the Autobahn, you could convert your speedo into kilometers. So we do that. So you see now on the right hand side, you've got kilometers an hour, or not, as the case may be. So really easy to use, really comfortable seat, great 10-speed auto. It's a Mustang. What more can we say, really? Of course, what a Mustang is all about is the noise. Love to show you more down at Plymouth.